behind the board.
I see that fighting spirit hasn't diminished at all.
Fine.
Good.
I am done playing games. It's time I ended this.
You gave Amy a matchmaking spell?
It's the strongest one we have. The couple dives into the lake of love, and afterwards looks at the full moon, and then they'll be joined together forever. It sounds like Amy is finally going to see her dream come true. She can't fail. Amy even set up a trap so that she and Sonic would fall into the lake at the exact moment the moon rose.
So they must be together right now.
Thanks, pal. This should hit the spot.
Sonic?
Suffer you no
Something wrong?
Oh, this pathetic little planet!
Every time I come up with a way to capture Sonic's heart, he makes a last-minute getaway. This is totally unfair. That trap was set for Sonic. I wanted to get my romance rolling, and now I have to watch you two go gaga over each other. This is outrageous. Go find your own planet.
Good boy.
Dragon Ball Z Kai.
If you're looking for action, the Kai's the limit. Next Saturday. When good battles evil, martial arts is the ultimate weapon. From the far east to the far out. Vortex is giving Saturday morning the switch kick in the Dragon Ball Z Kai.
Saturday Custodians. 10 a.m. That's it.